Hello, dear students. Good morning. Today we are going to start chapter number 2. So just open textbook page number 20. This chapter covers a story of a detective. Now tell me, who is she? While looking this picture, you can easily recall a figure of a detective. In Hindi, it means jasoos. Yes, detective is a person who investigates crimes or who tries to solve crimes. Now, look at the picture. Just imagine if you are a detective and have to solve this robbery mystery, then what are the clues you have here? Let me help you, my children. The mark of feet may belongs to robbers. One of the robber left his sleeper in hurry. And next, you may guess that the goggle on the locker belongs to one of the robber. Yes, it is really interesting to solve cases like this. So our new chapter, There is Ice Cream in My Eyes, also covers the story of a detective, Captain Smart, and two children, Veena and Varun. Now, let's start reading this chapter. Students, try to read the chapter with me. Put your fingers on the line. Very first, I will read some lines and then after I will explain them. Okay? So let's start. Captain Smart is a detective. She is a clever detective. Sniffer is her dog. He is a bundle of soft white fur. Yesterday, Varun and Veena were standing in front of a tea stall. They saw a white dog. He ran past them. His leash was trailing behind him. Varun stepped on the leash and caught the dog. Now I'm going to explain these lines. Captain Smart is a detective. So here, who is detective? Captain Smart. Okay. She is a clever detective. So she is here. So it means Captain Smart is a lady. Okay. So she is really a very smart detective. Smart or clever detective. Captain Smart has a dog whose name is Sniffer. Sniffer has white fur on its body. Yesterday, Varun and Veena were standing in front of a tea shop. In front of a tea shop means एक tea stall के सामने खड़े हुए थे. Suddenly, they saw a dog who was running past them. A dog who was running past them, it means a dog is running behind them. Okay? The dog's leash was trailing behind them. Dog's leash. What is the meaning of leash, children? Leash means a chain or a rope used for holding a dog. Okay, so you can easily say that a dog's chain. Yes, trailing means what? Trailing means here to be pulled behind the dog. Then suddenly Varun stepped on leash and caught the dog. Yes. Now next children, the chapter is here in dialogue form. So one by one, I'm going to deliver the dialogues according to the characters. So just follow while putting your finger on the line. Thank you very much. This is my dog, Sniffer. I am Captain Smart. I am a detective. Wow, you are the famous Captain Smart. We are Varun and Veena. We are twins. Children, here Captain Smart was introducing herself, okay? And then after she also thanked to this boy. But why? Because that boy was caught that dog whose name is Sniffer. Yes? So she was very thankful for that boy. After knowing that fact that she was Captain Smart, Varun was really very excited. So that's why he said, "Wow, you are the famous Captain Smart." Then after Varun introduced himself and also his sister Veena and also informed Captain Smart that they were twins. What is the meaning of twins, students? Twins meaning pair. Okay, a pair of, or in Hindi you can say judwa. Okay, so Varun and Veena both are brother and sister. Now children, come on the next page. Nice to meet you. Here's my telephone number. Call me if you need me. So Captain Smart shared her telephone number to these children. Okay. Now I'm going to read the next lines. You just put your finger on the line and try to read it with me. Next morning, Varun was reading the newspaper. Veena, Veena, he cried out. Look at this. They ring up Captain Smart. Captain, Veena said, Mr. X is in the town. You are going to catch him, are not you? Can we help you? Come to Delhi Bank at 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, she said. Mr. X will be there. I'm going to explain you children. Next morning, Varun was reading the newspaper and suddenly he was calling his sister Veena. And he wants to show something Veena. They both together call Captain Smart after reading that news. Veena asked something to Captain Smart. Very first, Veena informed Captain Smart that Mr. X is in the town. Mr. X is a criminal. She know that Captain Smart wants to catch Mr. X. So, Varun and Veena both wants to help Captain Smart. So, Veena called Captain Smart to Delhi Bank at 11 o'clock tomorrow morning and she said that Mr. X will be there. Children, put your finger on the line. I'm going to read again some lines and then after I will explain you. Mr. X is at Delhi Bank. He has a big bag. There are tools in the bag. The tools are for breaking open the safe. Miss Z, his assistant, is with him. They are in the bank. Captain Smart spills thick oil near the gate. Then she fires a pistol in the air. Children, I am going to explain these lines. Mr. X is at Delhi Bank. Mr. X has a big bag also. There are tools in that bag. The tools are for breaking open the safe. Miss Z, his assistant, is also with him. They are in the bank for robbery. For catching them, Captain Smart spills thick oil near the gate. Spills thick oil? Why? Because she wants to make them fall down on the earth. Then she fires a pistol in the air. Children, I am going to read next lines and you have to follow me, okay? So put your finger on the line and try to understand. Mr. X looks around. That's Captain Smart. Let's run. Children, here Mr. X got that idea that Captain Smart is here. So that's why they both started running. Mr. X and Miss Z are running out of the bank. They don't see the oil near the gate and they slip and fall flat on the road. So what happened next? Near the gate, Captain Smart already spilled some oil now. For what she spilled some oil? For getting these two people fall down. So when these two people, Mr. X and Miss Z, were running, then they didn't see that oil and they suddenly fall flat on the road. Varun and Veena, this is your chance. And here, after falling them down on the road, Captain Smart called Varun and Veena and told them that this is their chance to do something exciting. Now I'm going to read, children. Just put your finger on the line and just try to follow me. Varun and Veena come running. They come very close to Mr. X and Miss Z. Varun throws a big brick of ice cream at Mr. X's face. Veena throws another brick of ice cream at Miss Z's face. Mr. X, run! Let's run! Miss Z, how can I run? I can't see. There's ice cream in my eyes. Mr. X, there's ice cream in my eyes too. Students, now I'm going to explain these lines to you. As you know that Captain Smart already called these two children, Varun and Veena. So they both come running. They come very close to Mr. X and Miss Z. And what they did? Varun throws a big brick of ice cream at Mr. X's face. And the same, Veena also does the same. Veena throws another brick of ice cream at the face of Miss Z. Mr. X said, let's run, let's run. But what happened? Miss Z said that no, how can I run? Because she is having ice cream in her eyes. So that's why she can't see and she could not able to run properly. Mr. X also said the same, that he is having ice cream in his eyes and he is also not able to see properly. Now children, just move on the next page. Captain Smart. Sniffer, charge! Mr. X. Oh, a dog is holding my leg. Two policemen appear. They put a handscarf on Mr. X and Miss Z. They take them away in the police van. Captain Smart. Well done, children. Varun and Veena. And well done, Sniffer. Children, now I'm going to explain these lines to you. Captain Smart. Sniffer, charge. It means she was asking Sniffer to attack on these two robbers. Mr. X was in very difficult situation. Why? Because this dog was holding the leg of Mr. X. So the dog is holding the leg, so that's why he was not able to move properly. Then the policemen appear. It means the policemen came and they put handscarf on Mr. X and Miss Z. It means they arrested these two people. They take them away in the police van. Children, do you know what is the meaning of handcuffs? Handcuffs means hatkadi. Okay. So these two people were arrested by policemen. Then Captain Smart wants to appreciate these two children. So that's why she said, well done, children. Then Varun and Veena, they wants to appreciate Sniffer. So that's why they said, well done, Sniffer. Why? Because Sniffer was holding the leg of Mr. X now. So that's why he was not able to move and got arrested. Children, here in this way the chapter is finished. I hope you understand the chapter properly. Yes? Now children, I think you are able to understand why this chapter is having the title, There is Ice Cream in My Eyes. Because these two people, Mr. X and Miss Z, because of the ice cream in their eyes, they got arrested. Yes, so that's why this is having the title like this. Children, I'm going to give you the glossary part of this chapter in the next video. Okay, so just note down your homework now. Read the chapter 2. So children, you have to read this chapter 2 again. Okay children? Till then, take care. We will meet you in the next video. Thank you.